This is a video on how to use the absence request and report forms online. So the first thing you need to do is go to your web browser and go to the HTC Technology website, which I created a tiny URL for that, so you don't have to type in a big long thing, and that's tinyurl.com/HTC Technology, and it'll take you to this page. Then you need to click on this tab here that says Teacher Forms. And there you'll see the absence request and report form. So the reason for this form is it makes it a lot easier for you. It's less hassle. You don't have to be at school to turn it in. You can fill out this form as long as you have internet access. And it will also send you a copy of what you filled out, and it'll send an email to Michael so that he can see it and then approve or disapprove, whatever. And it also puts all the data from everyone who's requested an absence in a Google spreadsheet, so that's easy to view. So it's really nice, really helpful, and it saves paper. So anyway, if you click on the link, it'll take you to the form. And if you're not signed into your Holy Trinity Schools account, it will take you to a sign-in page to do that. And if you're already signed into a different account, you will have to get out of this and then sign out, and then come back to the link, and then it will let you sign in. Or you can sign in before you hit the link. But you have to be signed into your Holy Trinity Schools one. It's only shared with our school. So on this form, you have all the same spaces to fill out as you did on the actual form, most of them. So I'll fill this out like I'm going to have an absence. So put in your full name, and the form might change a bit. I might do it where first and last are in different fields so that we can organize it another way by last name. And then fill out another form if you have more than one date that you're going to be absent, just because it was kind of difficult to get that to work here. So I'm going to say I'll be gone on Tuesday. If you have an extended period of time you're going to be gone, you might want to do a physical form. Hours absent. For a full day, put 8:15 to 3:10, and I think for a half day, maybe till 11:30 or noon. I'm not sure. We'll have to check with Michael on that one, and I don't know what you have done in the past. Or if you're going to be on the second half of the day, obviously do 11:30 to 3:15 or 3:10. And then the reason for absence, for the death in the family one, you need to indicate the relationship just like you were to on the form, but you'll have to do it in this comments section. Otherwise, you've got your other ones here. So I'll just say I'm taking a personal day. And then you do not have to click send me a copy of my responses, because I've already got it set up to do that. So it'll send you everything that you filled out. And then I will hopefully get this set up so it'll send it to Mindy too, so she can keep up to date the number of days you've taken off. But it has to be approved by Michael first, so I'm not sure on that one yet. So then I'm going to hit submit. And then you can go back and edit your response, but after you leave this, you won't be able to edit it. So if you had wanted to cancel it, you'd have to just contact Michael on your own using email or whatever. So it will email you, and that's what that ding was my phone telling me I got an email. So I'm going to get out of this and go to my email here. And then as you can see, the title says absence request submitted. And so you click on it, it says your absence request has been recorded, but note that it does not mean it has been approved, and you'll be notified when it has been. So that'll just be Michael notifying you. And then it has all the information you submitted. It tells you when you submitted it. So it tells me the date and time that I submitted this, my username, so the email, my name, the date I went absent, the hours, and why, and then any comments. So that's what it sends to me. It'll send a similar email to Michael telling him what you put in there. And then that's how you will submit your absence request. And I will show you what it'll look like in the spreadsheet, and you will not have access to this spreadsheet. But in this spreadsheet, it shows who, and ignore all this up here, but it'll show who has requested an absence. So this was Michael just testing it out, and this is me testing it out. It has all this data so they can easily be organized by teacher, by type of absence, etc. So that's really nice to have that just electronically. And that's it. That's how you use the electronic form. So please start to use that. And if you have any questions, you can let me know. Thanks.